Your vehicle may be equipped with one or more 12-volt power outlets. Some can only be used when the ignition is in the on position, while some are powered directly by the battery and can be used anytime. Remember though, excessive use of this outlet can drain the vehicle's battery. A 110-volt AC power inverter, if equipped, is located on the back of the center front console for added convenience. The switch to activate it is located on the center of the instrument panel. The power outlets can be used to power cell phones, electronics, and other low-power devices. Please refer to the instruction manuals on the Owner's Information DVD or dodge.com/owners for complete details and other important safety information.